to our channel. So it's October and it's my birthday month, and Tom has surprised me by booking a trip for both of us, and we're going to somewhere special to celebrate my birthday. And yes, I can't wait to travel again because it's been a while that I'm just here in Adelaide. I can't travel because of my I'm on a bridging visa. And yeah, samahan niyo akong mag-impake ng aking mga gamit. By the way, ito yung suitcase na gagamitin ko. And binili pa to nito. Bagong-bago pa to. Kakadating lang. So, yan. Ayusin na natin yung mga gamit ko. And as you can see, guys, more on shorts and t-shirts, sandal. So as you can see, guys, may mga shorts tayo dito, and then may mga sandal, may mga swimsuit, and may mga dress. So I think may idea na kayo kung saan kami pupunta. Just comment down below. And sa next vlog namin, malalaman nyo kung saan kaming lugar pupunta. And I'm very excited to go there kasi hindi pa ako nakapunta doon. And sabi nito, maganda daw doon. And mag-i-enjoy daw talaga kami. So, doon, papakita namin sa inyo kapag aalis na kami and pag makarating na kami doon. So just to clarify, guys, about my comments earlier about traveling. Because I'm on a bridging visa before, I can travel around Australia, but leaving the country, it's not allowed for me to travel. But now, because I'm on a partner visa, I can travel now around Australia and outside Australia. So I can travel to Philippines and anywhere else. So I have freedom to travel now. Kaya sobrang na-excite ako kasi first time kong makaka-travel ulit. Nakasama si Tom. And yes! Ewan ko, mixed emotions. Sobrang masaya talaga ako. So ito lang, mga shorts. Prinansya ko na to para susuotin na lang pagdating namin. Ang lilit ng mga shorts ko, di ba? Mga ilang peraso din lang. Kasi, hindi naman kami magtatagal dun kasi may work din si Tom. Kailangan namin bumalik din dito. Honestly, guys, hindi ako talaga marunong impake ng mga gamit. Dahil nasanay ako na yung kapatid kong bunso yung nag-aayos ng gamit ko every time na aalis ako or magta-travel kami nito. Siya talaga yung laging nag-aayos ng gamit ko. Kaya namimiss ko yung kapatid kong bunso kasi magaling siyang mag-impake ng mga gamit. Ako kasi basta-basta na lang magtupi. Magdadala rin tayo ng mga konting dress para kung magdi-dinner kami ni Tom sa labas, may susuotin ako. Pwede naman kaming bumili doon. Siguro mag-shopping din kami ng konti. Kaya hindi ko na kailangan bumili. Ay, magdala ng maraming gamit. Hey, what about you, Lovey? Are you gonna pack your stuff?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Is this too much?
What are you doing? What are you packing?
Well, I'm packing my stuff. What about you? Are you gonna pack your stuff?
Yeah. I'll pack now. Look, this is my bag. How long are we going for? 6 days?
6 days.
1, 2, 3, 3 jocks, 1 pair of socks. Zip it up. That's it. I'm ready.
What? That's all you're gonna take?
Yeah, well, if I run out, I can borrow some of your stuff. Is that alright? I don't know about your bras and your panties, but the other stuff I can borrow. I can borrow your sarong. No. All jokes. That's all I need. I travel light.
So, eto guys, mga nakakahiligan ko na ngayon is mga jumpsuit. Kasi, parang matangkad akong tingnan, alam mo naman ako, maliit lang. And pag jumpsuit yung suot ko, medyo matangkad tingnan, lalo na kapag naka-sandals ng konti, nagbibigay ng height kahit pa paano. And by the way guys, sobrang naglo-look forward ako na makapunta sa place na yon kasi may imi-meet din ako na childhood friend ko na taga Mindoro din. And medyo matagal din kaming hindi nagkita. Kaya I'm so excited to see her. So Tin, look forward to see you there. And ikaw yung magtutour sa amin papunta dyan. So, yes. So, magkita tayo and for sure, magbabanding tayo and kakain tayo sa labas. Panigurado yan. So, ako guys, pag nagta-travel talaga ako, mas prepared ko yung may mga dala akong sobrang damit kasi para in case lang na alam mo yun, yung may puntahan kayo tapos kulang-kulang yung mga damit mo. Ako talaga lagi akong may pasobrang mga damit. Gusto ko lagi akong may pasobra para may pangpalit agad-agad. So guys, malapit na akong matapos sa pag-impake ng aking mga damit. So I think may idea na kayo kung saan kami papunta nito. Dahil ito ay pang tropical. Halos lahat ng dala ko ay pang tropical na mga damit. Kaya comment down below. And yes, I'm so excited kasi malapit na yung birthday ko. Ilang araw na lang. And madadagdagan na naman ang ating age. Medyo maedad na. Pero hindi naman halata. So yeah, my birthday is coming up guys. And I'm very excited that I'm gonna celebrate it here again in Australia. It's my second birthday here. My second birthday. It's my second celebration here in Australia. So, hopefully, maging maayos ulit at maging masaya. Kahit na hindi ko kasama yung pamilya ko. Kasi lagi naman silang nag-greet sa akin na nagtatanong agad kung ano yung mga ganap sa birthday ko. So guys, you've seen what I packed, and if you have an idea, comment down below where we're going. But if you don't have, you need to wait for another video. Ang dami ko talagang dala. Oh my God. Bahala na si Batman. Tapos marami pa kami dun. Siguro may mga mabibili pa rin kami dun kahit pa paano, mga konti.
Who normally does your packing back in the Philippines?
Honeylene.
Oh, nice. How are you going to do it today on your own?
I don't know. I just put it there.
Honeylene, where are you?
Yeah, I know, Neng. I need your help. You're the only one that pack my stuff all the
And
time.
who's Honeylene?
She's my she's our bunso, my youngest sister. Oh my God. Sobrang hangang-hanga ako pag talagang nag-i-impake ng mga gamit ko because ewan ko kung paano niya napapagkasya, especially the towels, my shoes. Oh my God, I don't know how she put it. Everything in my suitcase.
Perhaps she should check on a job as a professional packer.
I think so. I think, Neng, you need to come here and need to help me. So every time we go, you can pack our stuff. Honestly guys, pagdating sa mga gamit ko talaga, yung ate ko, tsaka yung talagang bunso kong kapatid yung nag-aayos ng gamit ko. Kahit sa pagtutupi, yung alam mo yung mga nilabahan, sila yung naglalagay sa drawer ko. Ewan ko, kasi pag nagtutupi ako, ganun-ganun lang. Basta-basta na lang. Kaya nakakamiss sila. Ay yung nag-aasikaso kasi sila kasi nag-aasikaso talaga madalas ng mga gamit ko. Hindi talaga ako. Kasi pag ako ang nag-ayos, wala nang space sa mga gamit ko, sa mga damit ko pa lang. Kaya nung pumunta ako dito sa Australia, nung papunta na kami dito, yung nag-ayos talaga ng mga gamit ko is yung mga kapatid ko. Sila yung nag-impake lahat. Kasi, like I said, pag ako, wala talagang matitirang space sa maleta ko. Kahit konti lang yung mga damit ko. Ewan ko ba? Pero, pinapag-aralan ko na rin naman ngayon magtupi-tupi ng mga damit. Ito lang yung mga dadalhin kong swimsuit. Kasi pwede naman kaming bumili dun pag may nagustuhan. Ayan. I think tapos na. May mga ilalagay pa akong konting damit dito, I think. So, eto guys. I think tapos na to sa side na to. And i-close na natin. Let's close it. I think I have plenty of space here still. Oh my god, I can't wait! I can't wait to leave, to travel again. Next side. What's this thing? Okay. Oops. God. First is mga sandals na susuotin natin dun. And then ito, flat sandals para may pangsuot tayo. Ito, super simple lang. Oh my god, I don't know how to talk. And then, ito binili ko. Mga pang pang suot lang sa labas-labas. Yan. Tapos ito, flat shoes para pag may pupuntahan kami, madali lang siyang suotin. And, ito yung gift sa akin itong Christmas, I think. Adidas shoes. Isa lang, then yung isa, pang susutin ko na pag alis na kami. Tapos ito lang, konting bag. Ito is, pang social. Kahit hindi tayo social. Oh my god, I don't know. Up, side. Eto, simple lang din. Oh my goodness. And, yes, regalo ulit nito sa akin. Cute no? Mahilig lang ako sa maliliit na bag eh. Ayoko kasi na sobrang laki. Mga pang design, ay mga pang lang, maganda siya pag mga naka-short ka lang. And then, ito yung toiletries ko. Iba pa yung kay Tom. So, may maliit ako dito na shampoo and then conditioner. Sila shampoo. Yeah. And then, yung toothbrush ko. Tapos, palaging may tissue. Hindi tayo mawawala ng tissue. deodorant. Tapos, wait. Ito is lotion, shampoo, and shower gel. Then, mini toothbrush yun. Yun lang yung akin. Yung mga pang makeup ko is sa huli ko na siya, ipack kasi ginagamit ko pa siya. And, ito yung gift din nito sa akin recently lang nung namin, anniversary. Versace. Bago, so, yeah. Brand talaga namin to, Versace. Perfume and anything yan. Puro Versace kami nito. And, here you go guys! I'm ready to travel! Yan, ito yung aking favorite na.
I don't know, Honeylene. I don't know what we do, what she does without you. This is the way she packs her sandals. You don't do that. You put them inside each other. Look at that. Look how much space they take. So they go there like that. These things the same. They go one way and one the other way, like that. So they take up less space. Same with these. One way, one the other way. Look how flat they are. They won't be damaged. And look how much space you've got now.
Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi talaga ako marunong yung
Oh my God, look at these. One way, one the other way. It's simple, very simple. Okay, that was my
What about
kitchen.
this one?
This one here, what you do is just put them next to each other. But what they can do is you can fill them up with socks. You put socks inside your shorts. And look, you've got space for your toiletries now.
Ah, yes.
Okay? Put your toiletries there.
Down
Nice
like
and
that.
flat, and you put the other handbag on top, and this handbag over here. And guess what? You got all this extra space here.
Thank you, love. So I can put my... here. Look.
Yeah, but it'll get crushed.
It won't crash.
Okay.
So that's it for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you dahil sinamahan niyo akong mag-impake ng mga gamit ko and nalaman yung hindi ako marunong mag-impake. So, like I said, if you guys have an idea, comment down below where are we going. And please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell button. Please. And give us a big thumbs up. So, see you guys on our next vlog. Bye.